Welcome to my full review of Kajabi, an all-in-one platform designed for digital entrepreneurs, course creators, and anyone looking to build a passive income stream. Right from the start, Kajabi markets itself as a complete solution to host and sell online courses, run memberships, build sales funnels, and automate your marketing. It sounds promising, but how does it actually hold up in real use? After signing up, the dashboard is clean and user-friendly, but the amount of tools offered can be a bit overwhelming at first. You'll find sections for products, website, marketing, people, and analytics, all integrated into one backend. I started by testing the course builder. It's quite intuitive: drag and drop modules, video uploads, text sections, assessments, but there's a noticeable lack of design flexibility compared to more specialized LMS platforms. Still, for most users, the setup will be more than enough to build and launch a professional-looking course. Kajabi's website builder is serviceable, not amazing. It gets the job done, especially for creators who don't want to mess with code or hire designers. The templates are modern, but limited in customization. If branding is a major priority for you, you might find this aspect lacking. Where Kajabi really shines is in its automation and email marketing suite. You can set up sequences based on user behavior, tag customers, and create complex workflows. This eliminates the need to pay for separate tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit. One of Kajabi's major selling points is that it's an all-in-one platform. And while that's true, it also means you get a little less depth in certain areas. The funnel builder, for example, works well, but lacks the flexibility and visual control of tools like ClickFunnels. On the plus side, everything connects seamlessly. You don't need to mess with integrations or APIs. That simplicity can be a game changer, especially for solo creators or small teams. The pricing is steep. Kajabi isn't cheap, and the lowest tier plan may not offer enough features for growing businesses. But when you factor in that it replaces multiple services, hosting, email marketing, funnel software, course platforms, it may actually save money in the long run, depending on your business needs. Many useful links you can find in the description. Now let's talk about customer support. Kajabi offers live chat and a solid knowledge base. My interactions with support were generally positive. They were fast and helpful, but the availability can be limited on weekends. The community forums and Kajabi University also help fill in some gaps, offering tutorials and strategies from other users. I tested Kajabi on both desktop and mobile. While the desktop experience is smooth, the mobile optimization isn't as strong as I'd hoped. The mobile app exists, but is geared more toward course users than creators, which may be a limitation for entrepreneurs managing their business on the go. One underrated feature is the ability to manage podcasts. You can actually host and publish podcasts directly through Kajabi, which is rare in platforms like this. It's another way they try to centralize your digital content and streamline your backend. Kajabi isn't perfect. The design limitations, high pricing, and occasionally clunky user flow can be frustrating. But if you're looking for a reliable, comprehensive platform that lets you centralize your course hosting, funnels, emails, and website, Kajabi is worth a serious look. Just make sure you're actually going to use most of its features. Otherwise, you may be overpaying for convenience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and insights on digital tools for creators.